Hey guys, it's me Christina, and today I'm going to be showing you how to connect two laptops together, making one or the other a wireless display. So let's get started. First, open settings, and you're going to search for projection settings. So now you're going to see this message here. So click on optional features, add a feature, and then you're going to scroll down until you find wireless display, or you could have just searched for it also. So then click on it and click install, and now just wait for it to install. Okay, so now that we have this installed, we're going to click Launch the Connect app to project to this PC, which should be right at the top. So once we click on this, you'll find this blue screen, and this is where you're going to go to your second computer or laptop, PC, whatever you're using, and you're going to launch the Connect app on that one, and they're going to connect. Alright, so now we're connected, and the easiest way to do this is press the Windows and P key on the keyboard, and then a screen will pop up, and click Connect to Wireless Display, and then you're going to choose the PC that you're going to connect to wirelessly. And obviously I won't be doing that because I'm already connected, but it's pretty simple. That's exactly how you do it. And here you could use it just as a second monitor with the extended displays or duplicating them, really whatever you want. And you're going to want this option on. And that is going to allow you to use the keyboard and mouse from your first laptop on your second laptop, and vice versa. So you don't have to switch between each laptop every time. And then you could also move your mouse and put it onto the second laptop, just like you would with an extended display. But that's about it, and all you have to do when you're ready to disconnect is just click the button at the top of the screen, and it will automatically disconnect your laptop from your main laptop. And then that's it. You'll be back to the Connects app, and then you can X out of everything, and you're done. You're back to your normal setup. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.